Stapati talks about, we say Brahmam and Brahman. When we say Brahmam, the M at the end refers to unmanifest, and the N refers to manifest. So man means a worldly form that is able to comprehend. It's an adornment of consciousness. It's full. Its object is to be full and abundant, and it's a measured form that has manifested, man. And we look at human. Hu refers to sacrifice, to make holy. It also contains within its meaning the wish to sacrifice, the wish to make holy. And how does it wish to make holy? It also, who almost also implies to pour out, to invoke, and to summon. So what we see with human is the pouring out of consciousness, of measured light, being invoked, summoned forth, based upon the wish to make holy, the wish to know itself. In the material world, and that form, that human, has the ability to comprehend, to be full and abundant, and to be actually manifest. So to be really human, fully human, and to fulfill our humanity, we must make ourselves holy. We must go to that state of holiness within us. That's what has been summoned, along with other qualities. Our holiness has been summoned by consciousness. And so our ultimate goal, our ultimate desire, the ultimate wish of consciousness is to invoke this holiness in us. And that is the goal. That is the thing. When a person doesn't have an awareness of their own holiness, then they feel that emptiness and that urge to fill that emptiness. So this is really what human means. It's quite a full definition of human. Along with that, it brought to mind the idea in the Mahabharata of Lord Krishna speaking to the charioteer Arjuna. And what are we looking at here? We're looking at who is the charioteer? The Atman. The Atman is the charioteer. Arjuna is the Atman. And the chariot is the human body. So these instructions to this form we call Arjuna, who is really an Atman. We are really an Atman. That's what we really are. We're an Atman encased in a form that we as Atman manifested as ourself. And so it's talking about the Atman being subtle and quiet, being in a state without the three gunas, without action, without activity. And that then functioning from its own state instead of from the human mind. It's a very beautiful understanding that we can look at this in two ways. We can look at the real message of Arjuna being the charioteer, and he's driving the human body. And he's manifesting himself as a human form, driving that human body. It is the Atman that drives the human existence. It's a verification of what I've been telling you about the Atman and waveforms coming from the Atman. And it shoots arrows. These arrows are frequencies arising from the Atman. And then hitting their target in the material world. Their target being the action. The action of the Atman through this form we call human. This adornment to consciousness.